When you are managing a deskless team and your team's out in the field or working shifts, keeping everyone on the same page gets difficult. The whole employee management system gets messy, confusing, and it wastes everyone's time. That's what makes Connecteam so valuable. Connecteam is a mobile-first employee management app. It's built specifically for teams that don't sit behind desks. Everything, from time tracking and scheduling to communication, HR, and even training, lives inside one simple platform. Instead of piecing together different tools, you get one place that keeps your team connected and your workday running smoothly. So today, we're going to dive deep into Connecteam to see exactly how it simplifies team management and drives efficiency. Now, Connecteam is designed to be intuitive, which is key for a mobile-first platform serving a workforce that's constantly on the move. The left navigation panel gives you access to high-level administrative functions like Overview, Activity, Users, and Smart Groups. But the real core of Connecteam is structured around three main, centralized feature categories, which they call hubs: communication, operations, and HR and skills. This hub-based organization makes it very easy to find exactly what you need, no matter if you are trying to schedule a shift or send out a company announcement. What's truly helpful, especially for new users, is their onboarding process. For every single feature, Connecteam provides a step-by-step how-to guide right within the application. It's intuitive and simple to navigate, so there's no need to be tech-savvy. Anyone can use it with ease. Now, for a deskless team spread across various locations, they need a faster way to communicate. Connecteam thoughtfully made their communication features to make internal communication really smooth and centralized. At the heart of it is their native chat feature. You can set up unlimited personal, group, or team-specific chats, and employees can instantly share updates, photos, or files right from their mobile app. Crucially, the Updates feature allows team leads to make important announcements and ensure they are seen. You can post company news, safety warnings, or policy changes to a central feed, similar to a social media feed, and send them out to your team through push notifications. You can even create, manage, and send out invites for any company event through their event feature, whether it's a team meeting, a holiday party, or a mandatory training session. Employees can reply directly in the app, and all event details like time, location, and agenda are managed from this single place. And their help desk feature is an organizational lifesaver. Employees can easily submit support requests or tickets directly to the relevant department. It ensures that issues are captured, tracked, and resolved efficiently. All these tools together transform fragmented, chaotic communication into a single, reliable hub. While team communication is crucial, the real heavy lifting for deskless teams happens in the operations section, which is all about managing and monitoring employee activities on the ground. In Connecteam, the time clock is arguably one of the most important features here. It works simply. Employees clock in and out directly from their mobile device. But it's the supporting features that make it so powerful. You can utilize GPS tracking to verify an employee's location when they punch in or out, and even set up geofence sites, virtual perimeters around a job site, to ensure workers are physically present before they can start their shift. You can export straight timesheets to top payroll providers like ADP, Paychex, and more. And to stay on top of labor laws, they have automated overtime calculations, break tracking, and real-time alerts for compliance issues. What's really cool is the powerful payroll system. Connecteam makes payroll easier and more accurate by tracking employee work hours correctly, so everyone gets paid without mistakes and avoid time theft. This is a big help for managers since they can manage everything from one platform. To create schedules quickly, you can use their job schedule feature. You can assign shifts based on roles, skills, or locations, and it automatically cross-references employee availability and time-off requests and alerts you to potential conflicts before you publish the schedule. They also have an amazing task management feature, quick tasks makes delegating easy. Managers can quickly assign tasks to individuals or groups. Employees receive the task on their mobile device, and they can update its status, attach photos of the completed work. This gives managers real-time visibility into the status of all current work across all locations. With Connecteam's forms, employees can easily fill out reports, checklists, or requests right from their phones. No need for messy paperwork anymore. Managers can design the forms however they want, share them automatically, and see everything in one place. It also makes it easy to track what's been done, approve submissions, and give quick feedback when needed. But an employee management platform wouldn't be complete without a focus on the people themselves. Connecteam is very thoughtful about all the human resources operations, and the HR and skills section is specifically designed for this. For training and professional development, you can make courses within Connecteam. You can create or upload mobile-friendly training modules, assign them to specific employees, and even add quizzes to ensure comprehension. This is perfect for compliance training or getting new hires up to speed quickly. For maintaining a positive culture, what could be better than rewards and recognition? You can publicly celebrate milestones or accomplishments by giving shoutouts or custom badges, like Employee of the Month, which can be posted on the company feed. They even have a celebrations tool that automatically reminds everyone of birthdays and work anniversaries. Furthermore, the time-off management feature streamlines the entire PTO process. Employees submit requests directly through the app, and managers can easily approve or deny them, keeping track of accruals and balances. This eliminates manual tracking and ensures compliance with your company's time-off policies. The HR Hub also includes documents management, where you can securely store and share essential company documents, manuals, or employee handbooks, making them instantly accessible. On top of that, their organization chart gives employees a clear visual understanding of the company's structure and who reports to whom, improving transparency and facilitating better internal communication. Once your users are organized and your processes are running, you need to keep an eye on the dashboard. It's structured around key performance indicators that matter most. You get the Quick Actions panel, which lets you instantly access the most common management tasks, like publishing a schedule or sending an update. You'll also find detailed reports on attendance that shows real-time clock-in, clock-out status and helps you immediately spot lateness or missed shifts. The engagement metrics show you how active your team is on the platform, and the daily activity provides a snapshot of completed tasks, forms submitted, and courses finished. Overall, the dashboard is designed to give managers immediate, actionable insights without having to dig through multiple reports. As for the pricing, Connecteam gives you so much value for a very good price. Unlike other tools on the market, Connecteam is a very affordable option. They also have a free plan for businesses with up to 10 users. In fact, you can get a 14-day free trial of their advanced plans with no credit card required. So, after diving deep into all that Connecteam offers, it's clear that this all-in-one platform is suitable for any business with a deskless or remote workforce. It succeeds in centralizing every critical function, from time tracking and scheduling to communication and HR, into one mobile-friendly app. If you're looking to cut costs, boost compliance, and simplify your operations by eliminating chaotic, disconnected tools, Connecteam is the solution. Ready to streamline your team's work? Use the link in the description below to start your free trial today and experience the difference. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.